Welcome! In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can hide the content of unread chat reminders from appearing on your Snapchat lock screen, right on your Android phone. This is perfect if you want more privacy and don't want message previews to pop up for anyone to see. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is usually the gear-shaped icon you'll find on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows all the apps installed on your device. From here, find and select Snapchat. You may need to scroll to locate it, or you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find it faster. Once you're on the Snapchat app info page, tap on Notifications. This will bring up all the different notification settings that control how Snapchat alerts appear on your device. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Think of this as the detailed breakdown of all types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Look for the category called Other Messaging and tap on Unread Chat Reminders. This is specifically the setting that controls those reminders when you have unread chats. Inside this menu, tap on Lock Screen. Here, you'll see different options for how notifications are displayed when your phone is locked. Now select Hide Content. This choice will still let you know that you have a notification, but it won't display the actual message content. Instead, you'll just see something simple, like New Notification or Unread Chat, keeping your messages private until you unlock your phone. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Snapchat settings so that unread chat reminders won't reveal their content on your lock screen. From now on, you'll enjoy more privacy and peace of mind, knowing that prying eyes won't be able to read your messages without your permission. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to set it up right now so you can keep your Snapchat chats secure wherever you are. Your privacy matters, and small settings like this can make a big difference in protecting it.